You know I had to shoot him, right?
I don't give a goddamn fuck that you shot him. I'm glad that you shot him. I'm fucking glad that he's dead. Yeah! I should have stopped it. I should have protected him. I should have seen it coming. I should have stopped it. I should have stopped it.
It's okay.
I should have stopped it.
It's okay. You're okay.
I should have stopped it, Bobby.
Look at me. You're a good man. You're a good man.